What's up, Yon World? Today on my YouTube channel, we going over the Amazon Influencer Program. So go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Yon World, for good luck, man. It's 2020, and you need all the good vibrations coming your way. Now, I've been using Amazon's affiliate program for a year. I got exposed to it in 2019. I really got exposed to it from a YouTuber called Raise the Entrepreneur. I'm going to leave his link in the description. Everybody go follow Raise the Entrepreneur. But I was watching his video and I noticed like how he would put Amazon links to all of the equipment he used for his YouTube videos. And I thought that was smart. And I saw it on a couple bigger YouTube channels too. And I just noticed like how it's a space for this, you know, and it's a huge demand for Amazon products, and people trust Amazon. It's the biggest e-commerce store online, so everybody knows about it, and they provide opportunities for content creators to make money. So I just saw it as another stream of income that I wanted to go ahead and put in my rotation. So under all my videos now, I always post Amazon links, but now they have the Amazon Influencer Program, and what this is basically your own store. Like, no matter if you have a YouTube page or Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever platform you on influencing, it could be Snapchat, whatever platform you have influence on, you know, you can use Amazon Influencer Program to make extra money. And what it does is it basically gives you a personalized store, things and products you like, you could recommend to your following, and when they go through it, you receive a commission, like when they shop on Amazon. So it's just a good way to make extra money. Everybody is always shopping online. Everything is becoming digital. By the second we in 2020, digital sales are gonna surpass retail sales like tremendously this year, and it's just gonna get overwhelming, like for department stores, because the online demand is gonna be so big. So to get involved in Amazon now, like, you ahead of the curve. So I'm just sharing this information with people out there, young entrepreneurs. If you out there building a brand, building a website, building a YouTube page, building an Instagram, you need an Amazon store. Like, it's just an extra source of income. It's not that much. Like, at the most, they pay up to 10% of a sale, but it adds up. Like, some influencers are making thousands of dollars per month, you know, using Amazon affiliate program. But I'm gonna go over my earnings for the past year, 2019, in a separate video. But on this video, I just wanted to show y'all my store and just go over the products that I picked on my store. Now, this is my store. This is what you will see when you click on the link in the video. Well, at the top of every video, in the description, you're going to begin to see my new Amazon link. Now, this is exactly what you'll see when you click on it. And these are the products I picked, and I'm going to just go over each product, and just so you can know, you know, why I chose these products. Now, the first product I got is a MacBook. Now, iMac. And I chose the iMac is because that's what I'm doing the screen recording on the iMac. So, you know, iMac is what I use to screen record, and I record all my music on GarageBand on the iMac. So, you know, you gotta have your iMac. You know, you gotta recommend your iMac to your following. So we got that, the 27-inch, you know. And the next thing you need is a microphone. That's what I'm recording this on. I'm recording this right now on a microphone. So I inserted a microphone into my Amazon store, you know, for everybody that's inspiring to do what Yon World is doing. So next we got the Quantum Shield Protector. Now, you should do research on this. It's been studies and tests done on this sticker, but what it does is it basically provides a quantum radiation protection around your phone. Like, our phones emit so much radiation that companies don't tell us about. Like, even when they do they test, they do it like, it's so sketchy, like how they do it, because we hold our phones to our ear, but they testing the phone's radiation from like 5 meters away. So it's sketchy, like how they get through with the test. And I think, you know, radiation is affecting a lot of people, and, you know, you need this quantum shield, definitely with 5G about to come out, in 2020 we need the quantum shield protector. So next I got the passport. Now you need your passport cover. I don't know if y'all got y'all passports yet, but your boy Young World had to go get my passport. I've been out the country. It's beautiful out the country. It's different. You get to see, how spoiled America is for real. Like when we go out the country and then you see how they living, and you get to see like nature more. You know what I'm saying? It's deep. But I like traveling, and gotta have a passport cover. You gotta come correct with it with the all black. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have some style with it. Now, next we got the number one YouTube camera. Now, this is the YouTube camera. If you a blogger, if you wanna get out there, if you want that quality, if you want that quality that you see on all of the YouTube channels, the big family YouTube channels, this is the camera you want. The G7X Canon. The screen flips up. It's Wi-Fi, all of that Bluetooth connectivity. And this right here, what I linked, is a whole package. So it's like everything you need. You got the tripod, you got the memory card, you got the battery, the whole package. You got everything with that. But moving on. Next, we got the charcoal toothpaste. Now, your boy Young World promotes not using fluoride. Now, I do not use fluoride. I haven't used fluoride for, a good 2 years. I do not like the taste, you know what I'm saying? And ever since I got exposed to charcoal toothpaste, that's what I've been using. And, I made videos about this. It's just healthier, you know what I'm saying? They don't use dyes. They don't use all of that sweeteners and, all of that extra stuff they put in toothpaste. They don't have in charcoal toothpaste. So, this package comes with a charcoal toothbrush. So actually the bristles are infused with, the activated charcoal. So that's what's up. You should definitely get that. It's only $7. But next we moving on to the, African black soap. I like using black soap. If you ever wonder what your boy Young World smell like, I smell like that. You know what I'm saying? That good shea moisture. And yeah, I put that on there because hygiene is a must. We gotta, put our health first. You can have all the success in the world, but if you're not healthy, you know what I'm saying, what do it matter? So stay healthy out there, y'all. It's your boy Young World giving y'all that message personally, 2020. Let's get it. But next we got another activated charcoal toothpaste. This one just got coconut, which is also good for you. Coconut oil. It has a lot of benefits to coconut oil. Y'all can look that up. Fluoride free, vegan, all that good stuff for y'all. Next, we got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, 512 gigabyte. If you ever wondered what phone your boy Young World got, this is the phone I have. So, had to put that on there. Think and Grow Rich, a book that changed my life. It changed the concept, the way I think about life. And it just gave me new ideas and new perceptions. So, I had to put this book on here. I recommend this book to everybody out there, young, old. It's timeless information. I think that junk was originally made in like the 20s to 30s, like, Napoleon Hill, classic, Something else we got is another passport cover. This is another design I like. I wanted to share that with y'all. Now, this is my actual, bundle. This is what I have, my recording setup. I put it on here, 2 speakers, the Focusrite, inbox, the tripod, the mic with the boom, everything, like the cords, headphones. This is my actual setup, so I put that on there for y'all if y'all want it to sound like how I sound, or you know what I'm saying, just get the entry level, kit. There you go. Just there you go. But moving on, we got the hemp oil capsules. I'm big in, just working with herbal healing and herbal knowledge. Like I believe CBD and hemp is about to be bigger than the medical marijuana industry. So medical CBD hemp, I promote it, and I believe is good. It has a lot of benefits, like with pain and anxiety, and it relaxes you. It's all of the healing properties that you need. Um, Metabliss is a pain relief cream made out of CBD, hemp oil. So it's good, for direct application right there. But next, we got the MacBook Pro. Now, along with having an iMac, I do have a MacBook Pro. So I recommend that, everybody go get you a Mac. Next, we got the drone. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people like drones. I like drones. And I just posted this. I'm going to get this year. But it's good for filming. If you out there wanting to record videos and cinematic footage and, just get a different angle, a different perspective, get a drone. So next, we got another passport cover because traveling is important to the mind. And, I want to put that out there. Like, get a passport. If you don't have one, you're going to want one because you want a cool looking passport cover. So go out there and get a passport. Next, we got the Lapis Striantra ball. Now, this is deep. I believe everybody should have one of these in a energetic center in a home. You know what I'm saying? Like, create that environment, create that space, in your home, and get you a Striantra Lapis ball. You need that. Next, we got Bringers of the Dawn. The only teaching I believe every human needs right now is this book. I'm talking about the most clear and precise information, an explanation of where we come from, the explanation of where we going and our purpose on earth. So deep, this book, Bringers of the Dawn, it's like Barbara, she did her job. Like, that was amazing. But moving on. Next, we got the Microsoft Surface laptop. This is one of my favorite Microsoft laptops, so I went ahead and added that on here for y'all. Y'all can go check that out. Next, we got some hemp gummies, CBD. It's good for anxiety management. Go ahead, relax, support the immune system, all that good stuff. Next, we got a Samsung TV, for your entertainment purposes. Everybody, y'all gotta see me on Ghost Recon. If y'all out there, man, I need a whole team on Ghost Recon. Add your boy Yon World 7. Next, we got The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, another essential book to the development of you. You know what I'm saying? The development of your mind. You gotta understand the concepts of the subconscious mind, and just so you can know how to work with it and better influence your reality with it. Now, next, we got a green screen. Also out there for any content creators, y'all out there, wanting to create, you're going to need a green screen at some point in time, just to take it to another level. Next, we got the Yeezy AirPods, just a nice accessory, come in a nice little pouch, looks sweet. So I added that on here. Next, we got a desk because you got to be productive. You need a desk. You need some type of desk to work at, and Amazon got a nice desk. It's actually a bestseller on my store. Y'all see that right there. Now, next we got the Ornaments. It was a point in time I promoted monatomic gold, and I took it, and it does have extreme benefits. So many benefits I can't sit here and name it, but it's a superconductive mineral. It's a superconductive element, and if you take it, it will speed up your vibration and allow you to activate within the thought manifest reality. That's a whole nother, I'm talking about, that's a whole nother video. But next we got the soundproof padding, for the acoustic foam 50 pack. You need that. Depending on your living situation, you need that. Next we got the Yeezys, because you got to come correct with some Yeezys. Untethered Soul, one of my favorite books. I suggest everybody go get it. Powerful, teach you about the thoughts in a way that haven't been explained before. Next, we got Photoshop. We gotta come correct with a nice software. Melatonin, you already know this is the third eye juice right here. We got lightning. We got a Striantra crystal, hemp oil, and we got a Basquiat painting. So go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to your boy Yon World. Make sure you look at my page. I'm out.